welcome back to my channel.
You got an out today. We haven't had an out in... Our mukbangs are always the same.
So hungry. You guys, right here, beach.
What'd you get?
I got a hamburger, a light onion.
Number 3.
Your shirt.
She ruined your shirt.
Yeah, baby.
How do you eat so fucking loud?
I'm so fucking hungry. Rachel, I almost died. Almost got hit by a rock.
What's wrong with you?
I'm fucking hungry. Got some In-N-Out spread, bitch.
Just hit the spot.
I need a good hearty meal.
We were out shopping.
I had to get underwear for my 2 vaginas.
Took her about an hour to find fucking underwear.
Well, when you have an extra wide vagina, you need to find the right undies. Yeah, you don't want it slipping out.
I don't know. The onions are good.
I know, I should have got more. I was just thinking that. I was like, I fucking skipped out.
We haven't done a mukbang in a while. Every time we film one.
I need spicy water. Oh my god, I'm having a heart attack.
Ariel.
That's what it's all about.
Really.
Truly, it's like eating and then just getting it out. It's like a fucking release.
LaCroix.
Yeah, I used to not be into LaCroix, but now I am. Arrowhead hasn't been hitting me with the fucking flavors.
I agree.
You know, so I'm starting to, you know, push back a little bit on that.
What about your TikTok?
Why TikTok? I'm starting to really skyrocket.
If you guys are on TikTok, follow her.
And I talk about some great things on there, and they'll be definitely interested.
Oh yeah. God, you're really hungry.
100% I'm gonna be crying thinking I'm gonna throw up. 100%.
I know, usually by now.
Yeah. Katie, I told you I was about to faint.
We went to Hot Topic today.
Can you tell?
I miss going there.
I know, I'm not shoelaces.
SpongeBob shoelaces.
The fries are really hitting the spot for me today, honestly.
Whenever we go to In-N-Out, we usually get a number 3. I do.
Fuck animal style.
Normally, I get onions on it too. But if I was on a date, I wouldn't get onions.
Katie. Well, I don't care. I don't get onions either way. But guess what? The whole video's gonna be me doing this.
The whole video should be.
But Katie, all I do is just jam pack kind of food. I was so hungry. That was embarrassing. Like Beauty and the Beast style. Did you watch that lately? Fucking Beast just. And then Belle's like, shut up. And Beast is like,
Is that what happened?
yeah. It was letting out the inner demon in me. I have to keep these just in case I need salt. Because I'm too bored with salt. Dude, we both ate a shit ton.
I haven't ate all day.
Same. Oh, actually, Chuck made me like a rice and bean burrito this morning too. That was that. There must be something wrong.
Must be nice.
I was getting dizzy, and then a rock got thrown at me.
Yeah, what the fuck was that?
Can't get over that. I mean, some motherfucker threw a rock at Katie's car.
There's no dents though. That's the weird part.
At the car fair. I got 10 pairs of underwear.
Yeah. Oh my god, she's whistling out of her nose.
I'm like Thomas fucking Train.
It's T-Tom.
Oh, you gotta zoom up. You gotta zoom up and slow mo that.
Jesus. So we ate
A lot.
We ate a lot. Well, no.
He just came out of the bathroom. Oh no, he didn't.
We were hungry. We needed food in us. We had a long day of shopping at the mall. Literally took her about 40 minutes to find 10 pairs of underwear.
It really did. Underwears.
Draws.
Really did.
It took me like 2 seconds. I know what I like.
Because you wear the skanky ones. And
No,
I buy
that's not
underwear
true.
every 3 years.
I have my underwear like twice underwears.
Twice a year. I wear it every 3 years. And then I have holes in just the lips part of my...
From the acid of your vagina.
Oh, I have such good material for my TikTok. You know when you just get almost high from eating when you're so hungry? You know what I mean? That high afterwards, I live for it. Well, that was like kind of a
Our quick
whatever.
mukbang. We have some material in there.
We have material and we have burps, so.
Our next
You
video,
didn't burp once.
I did a little burps. Our next video, I don't know when that will be.
It'll creep up
Leave a
fast.
comment down below of
If you guys want to see me
naked. Leave a comment down below on what kind of TikTok videos you guys like to see. We're gonna start doing reaction videos.
you the end of that.
We can't continue to live like this.
I can't, bitch. You gotta buy like 10 pairs of underwear a year I can afford, bitch.
I mean, you think we're laughing because we're joking, but
Alright. Well, I'll see you later.
alright, don't forget to comment. Leave a comment if you can whistle like that out of your nose. I don't know if she's the only one or not. We'll see you guys later. I'll see you next week or maybe in a week or two.
Can't smell your own shit on your knees.